Wow, over 6,000 views, you guys. I truly had no idea this video was gonna blow up. In this video, I'm gonna cover a couple questions my viewers have about the product. So I'm gonna cover that. Also, I'm gonna explain why we decided to paint our stovetop. As you can see, the kitchen looks a little different. I'm gonna get into a little bit of that. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Budget Lady, Fearless Mama, living on a budget. If you don't know me, I cover everything about how to save money, how to live on a budget, debt-free journey. Visit my page, check it out. That's the kind of videos I like. And I did organize the video for you guys, so that way it makes it easy for you to find a topic that you're looking for. I love to teach. I love to show you how to do things, how to cut costs, and I have more videos coming your way. But today's video, I want to cover a couple questions and concerns you have about painting the stovetop. And I'm going to jump into right now quickly why we decided to paint our stovetop. As you can see, I have a new stove. At the time, it was like over 10 months ago, I just got sick and tired of the look of the stovetop. And I wanted to refresh it really cheaply because this was our short-term corrective action. In the meantime, we were saving money to renew our kitchen, and I will do a video on that, how to save money doing your own kitchen rental. We learned a lot in the process, so I will definitely share that with you guys. That's another video. But in the meantime, I just wanted to, I was embarrassed. It was really worn out, and I'm gonna get into tips. Also, I'm going to provide in this video how to maintain your stovetop looking nice and not get in that way. And I'll explain why that happens. So, a couple of questions. Let me go with the question number one. The hot question is, how long did it last? I get questions from, Instagram, Facebook, people reaching out to me. How long did it last? It lasts pretty good. This product that I use lasts long, and I am a cook. I cook a lot. I'm not a professional cooker, but I cook a lot. And so I did use the stove a lot. And there's a tip to maintain your stove, whether you have a new stove or you decided to paint your stove. The trick is, it's not even a trick. It's something you need to think about, is cleaning your stove. The reason why my stove looked so beat up and worn out is because the previous owner used harsh chemicals. If you use harsh chemicals, over time, it's going to eat up the grates coating, the protective coating, and all that stuff. It's going to eat it up, and you're going to damage it. So if you whether paint your stove or you buy a new stove, if you want to protect your stove grates, the coating that protects, while you're cooking, definitely consider using non-chemical products, safe products, or I do homemade. Cleaning solution myself. Is cheaper and it's safer, and I know if little Jonah gets into it, it doesn't harm him. And I'm going to share you my recipe right here. Yes, you guys, simple. Baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap. Sometimes, depending of how dirty is the grates, most of the time I use my, dish soap. Dish soap cleans everything, you guys. You don't have to do a fancy schmancy, products. You don't have to buy a lot of products. You can use dish soap in everywhere. I even use dish soap cleaning my bathroom, you guys. It just leaves the towel super shiny. Now, the baking soda helps whiten and scrub. It's like your scrub. And vinegar helps you disinfect. That's what vinegar is good to do. So I do clean my bathroom that way too. It's safe. Again, it's safe. It's not, the fumes, not overbearing, when you're trying to clean, and it's cheap. I like cheap. I like to save money. That's what my channel is all about. So that's why my grates that I paint last a while. We decided towards around the end of fall, we raised enough money and we started to do our own reno, and I definitely will share you how to do that in our future video. Okay, so question number two, I kept asking question, the smell after you're done, when you're ready to use the grates. I didn't get any smell. What the trick is, and again, it's not a trick, It's definitely read the product that you're using. Some require 24 hours of drying time, some require longer. Me, I'm very safe person. I'm all about safety, even though some people saw that I use spray paint. Is a high heat, by the way, high heat. I actually, I think it was required like 2 days drying time, but I actually went longer than that. And I did mention that in the video that I waited a couple days because the paint has to be fully dry and you gotta allow time to cure. Paint has to cure, has to set in. So once it's fully dry, you give it enough time to dry. And I did a heat test at the end of that video. Then, you know, nothing happened. No smell happened. I know some of you had concern, well, did it smell when you were cooking? Did it have like, no, I let it dry and nothing happened. Nothing happened, there was no sparks, the house didn't blow up. This house didn't blow up. I'm still here. And no smell happened at all. So now there's so many products out there. I did reach out to the company that I use, asking, I told them about the video, how it was blowing up, asking have they seen any like sales go up and anything like that. And I asked them if they are willing to give me a free product for you guys to try, because I know you guys are interested, and hey, I understand you don't want to spend something and waste money because you tried it. So I was hoping for that. They never got back to me. So when you do visit my video, I did unlink the product that I use because I felt, well, I'm making them money, not getting anything out of it, and they never reached out to me, not even a thank you. So your call if you want to use the product that I mentioned or go somewhere else that will give you a better product. The product that I use only cost me under $20. So again, it was a short term of action to make it look nice, because you know, us ladies, we need to have a nice looking kitchen, we know. But that helped a lot, and I just wasn't comfortable cooking that there was no coating on it, because that's the whole purpose. When you're why most grates have coating on is to protect when you're cooking, because who knows, maybe it was harmful for me to cook when it was at its bare, you know, metals. So and lastly, for those, because I have a lot of concern about, oh, I'm not comfortable using the paint because of fire and all that stuff. The trick is, and again, it's not a trick, I keep saying trick, but it's not a trick, is you have to let it dry and cure. Any work, any paint you're doing of any project, you have to let your paint fully dry and cure. So if you're not comfortable of painting the grates, so there's a couple options you can do. You can see if you still have warranty. Maybe they can replace it for you. And you know, some companies will do that. Or see if you can find replacement part and just replace that part instead of buying a whole new unit. Also, if it's not the problem with your grate, it's actually the bottom part, because I've seen some stove like really rusted and on the bottom. They actually sell like a cover. This picture here, that, you know, you can at least cover it. And it's what I like about this, you can pull it out and clean it. My cousin has it. She tells me, Lydia, you got to get that too. By the way, my name is Lydia, the budget lady. So she recommends, and I'm actually going to order one for my stove because it's just easy clean up. Because you know, when you're cooking, stuff falls through there. You can easily peel it out. It's not stick. It's just a sheet. And you can wash it and put it back. So do that. There's other alternative you can do instead of painting if you're not a painter, or if you're not patient enough to let it dry, because it is work. You got to really deep clean the grates, prep it, and then spray paint it. I did like 3 coats, and I let it cure. So I hope I helped answer all your questions. If you have more questions, definitely check me out on Instagram. Here's my Instagram name, and I would love to hear from you. So yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the like of that video. I am blown away, blown away about it. My goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please help me out. I'm not even halfway there, and I'm happy to see that my videos are helping you out, and I will continue to share ways to save money on everything, you guys, everything. I hope I helped you out today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of my videos, click here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Take care and God bless.